Assalamu alaikum. My name is Laila Tabi, and I'm here to present the topic, the answer of what is the first step you should take before starting a wholesale business. Rudiments to start wholesale business. First of all, you need to identify your marketplace, the capital you are investing in that specific product. You should have to find a best-selling product and a source like distributor, authorized supplier, or the brand. Requirements to sell or to be a wholesaler on Amazon are: you should have a business ID, business address and phone, business bank account, business website on which you are dealing with different products you are selling on Amazon. LLC means limited liability company, which protects you from debits and the liabilities. And in case of USA, in case of UK, you should go with LC. You should have a resale certificate, ENI number, or VAT register in case of UK, and you should have an Amazon seller account. Important consideration you should have to take before starting on selling Amazon are: you should have to understand the marketplace in which you are selling, and look at the steps you are following. Means set minimum order quantities and price, consider the viability of your business, and grow your business. So this is it. Thank you, MS.